So good afternoon everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra and this is Optimal Physics for JE. So let's start with things in proper perspectives. So basically I'm gonna explore the concept of optimal physics worksheets. So basically if we consider physics as a subject, so there is a class 11 and class 12 as per the syllabus is concerned, and there is another foundation course on maths which is also called as mathematical tools, which is used in both class 11 and class 12 physics. And as it takes some time to cover the topics like differentiation, integration and vectors in mathematics of class 11th and 12th, so it is being separately told in the physics class itself, so that students have a working knowledge of the basic mathematics, the application level points, so that he can understand the physics going on. As you must be knowing that mathematics is the language of physics, so before studying anything you need to learn the language. So in the very same way, there is a foundational course on mathematics with the name mathematical tools, which is roughly of the duration of 2 to 3 weeks. So this is the syllabus for that. Now in class 11 we have two books, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is composed of 7 chapters, part 2 is also composed of 7 chapters. In part 1 we have mostly mechanics, and in part 2 we have heat, waves and oscillations. Whereas in class 12 there are also two books, book 1 and book 2. Book 1 is having 8 chapters basically on electromagnetism, and book 2 covers optics and modern physics, a total of 14 chapters. So at all we have 14 chapters from class 11th, 14 from class 12th, so there are a total of 28 chapters. Now there are three different cases or categories of preparation. The first is for schools, for NEET and for JEE Main. So as per schools are concerned, we have questions based on NCERT each line. So these are the questions on each line of NCERT. Then we have examples and exercise as given in NCERT. We shall be discussing all of these through the video lectures. Then for NEET, we shall add in addition to these the NEET PYQs and the extra worksheets. Similarly for JEE Main, the content will be school plus JEE Main PYQs plus some extra worksheets. And the main thing about all of these is that these are based on problem solving skills, as I shall be exploring in the later videos. And the consensus is that each chapter roughly comprises of 1200 questions. So you multiply 1200 into 28, so that sounds about 33,000 question in total as per NEET and JEE Main is concerned of the entire physics. So this is entire physics for you. Now the question arises, why optimal physics worksheets? What is the advantage of these? So let's discuss things. The first thing is there are topic wise problems. Second thing is there are level wise problems. Corresponding to each topic we have three levels: the basic level sheets, then PYQs, and then third level is the extra sheets. So it depends on the students how much they can absorb. So it's a sort of customized physics course for them as per the students. Next is it includes questions from NCERT each line, as I discussed earlier, exercise examples. Next is it includes PYQs of NEET and JEE Main corresponding to what course you are taking. Then is it includes macroscopic and microscopic level preparation, level content. We make sure that corresponding to each topic there are sufficient problems which ensures your preparation at the factual, at the conceptual and at the application level. So this is difference between these worksheets. Next is developed by expert faculties. I myself, you can check my name on the net, Acharya Vishvendra. I have compiled more than 200 books, thousands of videos my available. You can see yourself on YouTube, Instagram or your Twitter. So I have been associated with topmost coaching institutes of Kota and Delhi. Myself cleared JEE in 2007 and did my engineering from Government College of Engineering, Pantnagar, Uttarakhand. So this you can verify online through Google or this thing. So we have a team of experts for just like me, who have a well-known name in the coaching industry and who are authentic enough. You can verify the authenticity and you can check it yourself. So the next point is it saves your precious time and energy, because nowadays information is in excess, it's in abundant. Corresponding to any topic there are millions of books. So the question is how to choose the optimal content that makes sure that you are preparing for the exam and that can help you to optimize your result. Because you see there are time foundations. You have to cover the entire syllabus of class 11th and 12th in 2 years if you are preparing for the foundation, and for 1 year. If you are preparing for either in class 12th or in dropping, you are a dropper. So the most important point is it saves your precious time and energy. There is a system of working in which you can learn without any study burns out, without any anxiety, without any depression, and can escape the complex emotional problems encountered during the preparation. Next is it improves your efficiency. Obviously, we are developing a system in which you learn gradually at your own pace. Sheets are level wise, so that when you complete the first level, you go to the second level. So obviously there is an improvement in efficiency. You can work at your own pace and ultimately can lead to what you can afford by practicing under gradual learning things. Next is it improves problem solving skills, as you can verify it over here. I shall be showing the worksheets in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.